I would like to thank each one of you for coming tonight, for helping me to win this election. While we don't know the final result, because it takes time, currently we have about 76% counted on scanners. Plus we have absentee ballots counting. You know, like absentee ballots usually going for Democrats, usually, especially in our area. So, but in any case, it's clear to me and my supporters that we want this election. We can debate the margin, we can debate how much, but the final result, of course, will be like known maybe in 2 weeks, you know, like last time I waited for almost 1 month, you know, like so. We're not gonna wait this time for 1 more month. I'm telling you right now, I'm councilman-elect from 47 Pennsylvania. And of course, this victory would never be like a reality without the support of my beautiful family. Today I have my wife. Where is Bella? Bella! Bella! This is my wife. Without her I would never ever be able not just to win, but to be who I am. Thank you very much. Thank you. As you know, I have 2 children. They couldn't make it tonight. It's Tuesday evening. It's different circumstances, but for inauguration party, I promise they will definitely come. So, and of course, the second person after my wife and my family, of course, I would like to mention the person who was with me from the day one, even before I ran for anything, even before I joined his staff, even before I was district leader. The person who was a school teacher, assistant to assembly member, then candidate for city council, and I was very proud to endorse him for city council in 2013. My very good friend, mentor, person who I admire and respect so much, Councilman Mark Traeger. And of course, like, we have a lot of elected officials who endorsed me. I see here our great Councilman Michael Nelson. We campaigned with Michael Nelson not just in Seagate, door to door, but even on the beach with sand like this. We still walk. Everybody knows him and loves him in Seagate. And it's not just in Seagate, all over the south of Brooklyn, because for many, many years, Michael helped so many people in Southern Brooklyn. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. As you know, many elected officials now at a different party for Eric Adams, who is the next mayor of New York City. But you are very, very, very special people. Each one of you, if I start, it will be till tomorrow. I'm telling you. I tried once, but it was like long, long time. I'm not going to list each person here. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your incredible support in every community, in every neighborhood, in every block, you know. It's block by block, it's community by community, neighborhood by neighborhood. After I won Democratic nomination, I was told, now you can relax, you can take 6 months vacation, go to Florida, go to Caribbean. The district is Democratic, forget about it. I said, no. I'm running against the guy who almost beat last year, the incumbent assemblywoman. So I'm not gonna relax. Also, you know me, I love to work. I love to help people. It's in my nature, you know.
Yes,
so
it is.
Yes, thank you. So we did not relax. And I see Zunera,
Oh, yes.
our great campaign manager, Zunera. Yes. And I see Danny Shubhaev, my the campaign treasurer. Amazing treasurer. And of course, we have here my colleagues, amazing, absolutely amazing. Their pictures were on every piece of mail, every palm card. And not just on palm cards, not just pictures. They were physically for me, they were with me at subway stations, at door to door, at going all over the places. I'm talking about amazing Democratic district leader, Diane Brown. Please It's my political partner, same last name, practically my sister. Please, Margarita Kagan. Margarita, please, since first second, she learned that I'm running. She said, Ari, whatever you want, just tell me where to go, how much should be the check, whom should I help? You know, that's all. By the way,
do what I want to
thank you so much. And Nancy Tank is here. I saw Nancy Tank. Nancy, please, Nancy. Another amazing Democratic district leader from Bensonhurst and Gravesend. Nancy is the embodiment of American dream. She is absolutely wonderful, fantastic. I don't know. Every time I said 7 o'clock in the morning by Parkway and 86th Street, the only question is like, what should I wear? You know, that's the only question. Nothing else. Like Jan said, it's a women's thing. So every time, like, no questions asked, just to do it. You know, Ari, tomorrow, what time? What time? What should I do? How many palm cards I have to this? Should I come alone or should I bring 3 more people? That's amazing. Listen, this is like, I'm not alone. I would never be able to win by myself. That's impossible, just impossible. So thank you so much, Diane. Thank you so much, Margarita and Nancy, my colleagues, Democratic district leaders. Thank you very, very much. And people don't know, but 47 Councilmanic District is one of the most diverse districts in the entire New York City. People have misinterpretation of every neighborhood and every borough, you know. Southern Brooklyn is very diverse. 47 district. I don't want to start from Seagate to Bensonhurst, Coney Island, Marlborough houses, amazing Sephardic community. Thank you so much. Pakistani American community, Hispanic community. When we celebrated Hispanic Heritage, Priscilla Sanders just a few weeks ago, I said to several council members who want my support for becoming speaker, I said, you want my support? Come down to Coney Island. Come down to our Hispanic Heritage Celebration. You're Hispanic, please come down to Southern Brooklyn to our community. I'm not going to Queens, Manhattan, Bronx to support you. You want my support? Please come to see our beautiful people. Aren't you beautiful? You're beautiful. I cannot list each one of you because they have to start the party and we'll be till tomorrow.
If you leave out one, you're in trouble.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. Thank you so much. Here we have like leaders of every major community in my district. All these big parties, big shots, all of these Congress people, like mayor, governor, you name it. You are here. That's why I won this election, because you are here. You didn't go to all of these big parties. You came to our party in this amazing restaurant called Terraza Restaurant right here in Coney Island. Thank you, people. Thank you so much.